Dear students, welcome to our channel. In this video, we would be discussing about users of accounting information. Accounting statements of a company give us many information like cost, profit or loss, debtors, creditors, debt, sales, assets, liabilities, and many more. These information are needed for the people for many reasons. Broadly, the users of accounting information could be classified into internal users and external users. In internal users category, owners. Owners prioritize for wealth maximization. They vision to take up their billion-dollar company to trillion-dollar company. For this, they continuously appraise their financial performance. They estimate the return on investments on various projects using accounting statements. Management. Management focus on profit maximization. They set mission for the company. They work hard to make the dreams of their owners to come true. They prepare budgets to control the expenses and increase their profits. They also make financial decisions like introducing new products, entering into new market, or discontinuing a non-profitable product. They work out risk and return analysis using the components of accounting statement. Employees. Employees are concerned about their compensation. They use the accounting statement to ensure that their compensation is at par with the industry. They confirm that their salaries are in a growth trend and thereby they come to a mindset of job security. External users of accounting information. In this, creditors. Creditors support an organization by supplying goods. They confirm the increasing trend of profitability and sales turnover of a company. Banks extend financial support to an organization. They look into the credit worthiness and liquidity factors, that is, how far a company is capable of converting their assets into cash to repay their debts. Investors. Investors are concerned about trustworthiness, how far an organization is repaying the dividend to the shareholders. They look into the capital structure, combination of debt and equity in the capital. Government. The government authorities look into the accounting statement of an organization for tax compliances and to ensure that how far the company is adhering with the financial regulations. Competitors. The competitors of a company look into the financial statements to ensure the operating efficiency, and they conclude the optimum utilization of the available resources and cost effectiveness using the accounting statements. The researchers calculate the financial performance and rate the company. They categorize the companies operating within the industry into market leader, market challenger, and market defender. Okay students, if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Also follow us in social media. Finally, thank you for watching.